Okay, welcome back. In this video I will show you some tips on how to play with CSS to make some things work the way you want. And I will show you how to add a third-party plugin to get a zoom or a pop-up effect in these images. Actually, you don't need these tips to make your website work. These are just some extra stuff to make your website even more close to what you want. Okay, let's begin by fixing the position of this image. To do that, let's open the developer tools, select the element, and if you see at the CSS section under the path of the image, you can find here the position of the background. Okay, let's change this value. Okay, as you can see, the new position is way better. So, to save the changes to the CSS file, double click on its name here. And you can read here, it say changes to this file were not saved to file system. So let's save it. Right click, select save as, and save it under the CSS folder. Replace it with the old one. Save it, yes. Okay, now if you refresh the page, the changes will still there. Now, let's try to change these colors or any color you want in the template. Go to the developer tools, make sure you are on the right element, and as you can see here, the color of the element. If you click, you can change the color by using this color picker. After finishing, click return and save the file. Refresh the page and it is saved. Okay, now let's add the plugin to these images. In my case, I will use the Featherlight plugin. It is a jQuery plugin that helps you to make these pop-ups. In our case, we will use the image pop-up. So, let's go to the GitHub page and see how to use it. First, we will have to install it. And as you can see here, it says we have to copy this link and paste it in our code. Go to the top and paste it here because it is a CSS file. Fix the link, add to the HTTP, save the file. Next step, we will have to take the jQuery plugin and this JS file. Okay, the jQuery plugin is already in our code. So let's take the JS file. Go to the bottom of your code and add the JS file. Fix the link. Save the file. Next step, how to use it. Okay, as you can see here, to use the image pop-up, we will just have to make a link from our element. Okay, let's copy this link. Go to the code, under the portfolio section, open it, search for the image, here it is, paste the link and close it after the image. Now, replace the image folder with the original image and delete this element as we don't need it. Save the file and refresh the browser. Now let's test it. Great, it worked. So let's do the same to the other images. Save the file and refresh the browser. And as you can see, all the image is working now. In the next video, I will show you how to make this form work with MailChimp.